Due to the increasing complexity of vehicles, flash reprogramming of system modules has become a common element of automotive repair, thanks to the development of the J2534 pass-through device standard and the accessibility of flash software from the vehicle manufacturers. This has now become a lucrative part of the repair process that can be done in-house. The reasons for module programming are many. They include bug fixes for newly released vehicles and software adjustments for aging models. Often technicians find that a module reflash is the key to solving the problem rather than a parts replacement. Autel's J2534 Maxi Flash Elite pass-through programming device is an essential component to a complete programming package. Not all pass-through devices are the same, and Autel's track record of producing OEM-level diagnostic tools and vehicle communication interfaces, or VCIs, ensures our J2534 and its extensive vehicle coverage will perform with optimal efficiency. Autel's free technical support team is also a key reason for selecting the Maxi Flash. Our ASC certified technicians are available via chat, telephone, and email to advise about the tools needed and the steps required for successful module programming. In addition to the Maxi Flash, you'll need a Windows-based laptop, a stable internet connection, a battery maintainer, and a subscription to the website of the vehicle manufacturer. While most vehicle makers' software is compatible with the latest Windows operating system, check on the websites of the vehicles you service most often to confirm the minimum hardware and software requirements prior to purchasing the laptop. It's a good idea to dedicate the laptop solely to programming. The importance of using a battery maintainer cannot be overstated. A maintainer will sustain the output voltage regardless of load. Programming errors and module damage can result in voltage dropping too low or spiking too high. The ideal maintainer will have a programming setting. Treat all of the components of your programming package with care, including the cables. Using a damaged cable could result in programming errors or module damage. Simply put, module flashing is the transfer of an OEM software file or multiple files to a vehicle module, with the J2534 acting as both a translator and communication conduit. The National Automotive Task Force, or NASTF, is a vehicle website that provides links to all vehicle manufacturers and subscription prices. It's a comprehensive resource of programming information. Software subscription prices vary by manufacturer, but most offer 24 to 48-hour subscriptions for about $35. Monthly and yearly subscriptions are also available. Visit nastf.org. Finally, after programming, a module usually will require additional coding with an advanced diagnostic scan tool. Autel includes the J2534 Maxi Flash Elite with some of its MaxiSys tablet models. These include the MaxiSys Elite and the new super-fast 908 SP with its hexa-core processor. Thank you for viewing this video, and thank you for being an Autel customer. Please visit our website at www.autel.com.